Today we are going to clean up this organized chaos and install Olsa Tools DrawerPro System. So we're going to take these Here are the ratchet head holders. We've got a 1/4 inch drive, a 3/8 drive, and a 1/2 inch drive. Each one of the head holders is going to need a handle holder. Those come in small and large. This is basically for a steel handle. This would be for a larger ergonomic style handle. So the 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 inch drive, and the 1/2 inch drive. You can see that all of the handles fit in the small. Over here I have another 1/4 inch drive, which is just an old school small one with a larger type handle that fits better. So I'm going to start off doing a 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch ratchet. So each package of ratchet head holders comes in 3, but I'm going to use 1, and there's the sticky pads. So I'm going to use 1 there, my 3/8 ratchet head holder, and my 1/4 inch. And then I need handle holders for that as well, small handle holders. So I'll use 3. There's 10 in a pack. So now we're going to give it a go here. So we're going to take the sticky pad off of here, place it on the bottom, I'm just going to dry fit. Once you put the sticky pad on the back, if you have any difficulties getting that off, you can either pinch your thumbs to the center, or you can take a little X-Acto knife and just pinch off the end so that you can get that cover off and expose the stickiness. So one of the great things about this system is, as I'm doing it, I realized I don't really like where I had placed those. So the sticky pads that you get, they just pull off and go. They're in there nice and good. It's not, you know, they're not going anywhere if I slam the drawer. Right? It's all still there. You can wash these and reuse them. So it's totally modular. You can set it up, and as you add or remove tools or decide you want to change things around, as you see, I just switched them from going this way to this way, which makes more sense to me. But as I build this out with the wrenches and the other tools, I may change it again. And that's the beauty of this system. You're not stuck to whatever you think might work and then realize it doesn't work in terms of your preferences.